Well, the backhoe has been working quite hard. It's about 12:30. I took a long time to get here because today is the biggest holiday of the year, the water festival, New Year for Thai people, and the kids are out in a pickup truck with water, throwing it at everybody. And here we have the road going down the hill, looking very, very nice. I don't think it's as steep as the other house. And then you have a place where it goes around like this. And then we have this big flat area over here, which we're still going to have to take down even lower. Stumps piled up, ready to burn. So what he's going to do, he's going to go over to that big tree over there and he's going to dig a circle around it that is 2 meters away from the tree. So it's about 6.5 feet away from the tree. And that way it won't damage the roots at all. And then we'll put some beautiful bricks around it and it'll be a nice sitting spot. So I think he's going to work on that pretty soon. But as you can see, we got a lot of material here. We got a lot of stumps. Things are moving along very well. If you look at the edge here though, we're getting pretty steep. We're getting very steep here. So this could be a bit of an issue that I have to solve. And we can still fill in quite a bit over here. And we have to dig around this tree and protect it because it's another one of those beautiful meditation trees. And from here you can see the beautiful view.